Alright, what's up guys? It's been a minute, but I'm coming back with a quick little tutorial on how to make fast and easy, good looking customs. So this is cost around $10 to $20 and this could be done within 5 to 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into it. We'll start off with you grabbing your favorite shoe. I just happen to have a bunch of Air Forces laying around, so this is the shoe we'll be using. And now you want to grab your products from ucreate.com. It's a website full of different texts and composites to help creatives create. Choose through the variety of products that we have that best fits the aesthetic you're going for. So now that you have your desired image, what you want to do now is cut it into separate pieces so we're left with one single image. The next step would be to grab one of the corners and peel away so we're left with just the image on the transfer paper. For more complex images, you might need to go back and actually just use a little small X-Acto knife or something with a pointy tip to peel away anything that's inside the actual image. Now comes the exciting part. So basically, when I was designing this, I wanted the head of the skull to go with the flow of the Nike sign, and I'm gonna go ahead and iron this around the Nike sign for about 5 to 10 seconds in each area, and then move on around the image slowly. So now that you took your time to iron each side of the material down, it should peel away easy like that. If it's struggling to come off, you just go back and iron it down more. So the cool thing about Ucreate composites is that they could be used with our other images to create one unique looking custom. So we're going to go ahead and get our flame reflectors and finish off the skull aesthetic. So there you guys have it. Thank y'all for watching. Came out super sick. Feel free to make this exact custom and make some money off of it. These will definitely sell. So go on ucreate.com, buy these composites, and we have a bunch of other composites to play around with, and tag us so we can repost your work. So there you guys have it. Follow me on Instagram, BRAHMA01. Follow the business page at Ucreate on Instagram, and see you guys.